Okay, you ready for the salad then?
Yes, sir.
You're excused then. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Now on page 4. 647049, State versus Nathan Salazar. And
This
that
is
is
Attorney-
County Middleton.
Yes, Your Honor, and Mr. Salazar is also present. I emailed the DAs asking for an offer, have not heard back yet. I'd like a reset. He has a first-degree felony pending in the 226.
How far along is it felony?
The trial date is the end of this month.
Okay, 30. We're gonna give you a felony pending 30-day reset.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Middleton, thank you.
Thank you.
647768, State versus Marianne Leuda, and that is Gary Hillier. Marianne Leuda, Leura.
Judge, this is John Reitmeyer. Our firm was retained on that, and then we filed a notice. I believe Ms. Laura is in the waiting room.
John Reitmeyer?
Yes, sir.
In the waiting room.
All right. And
He said that there's somebody in the waiting room. There's nobody in the waiting room.
John, there's no one in the waiting room, so you're trying right
Hello,
now.
can you hear me?
Hello,
Hello, can you hear me?
yes, who is it?
This is Mary Ann Barrera Leura, Leura.
Okay. Very good.
You putting me in the breakout room?
Mhm.
Okay, well, she's present, Judge.
All right, I've checked her out. What are you doing this morning, Mr. Reitmeyer?
This case got a felony pending in the 437th. It's still pre-indictment. So we request 30-day reset, see what happens.
Well, we're gonna give you a 60-day reset since it's pre-indictment.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
No, John, my document shows
Yes, sir.
Gary Hillier. Now, you're telling me you have been hired instead?
Yes, sir. We had filed a notice.
Okay, we'll have to look for that. Fine, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 648-429, State versus Santiago Benavides, attorney, Randall Reiner.
Morning, Judge. I'd like to confer on this. It's a pretrial setting. Client should be present under Santiago.
Oh,
I'm gonna try it right now.
I'm here.
Okay, thank you.
There's a lot of background noise that's messing me up.
Mhm.
You want me to
Randall,
repeat myself, Judge?
Randall, you wanted to confer with somebody else or something else or what?
Yeah, Judge, I want to go ahead and confer with the prosecutor. Client is present.
On Benavides.
Correct.
Anybody else?
No, that's it.
Okay, thank you. 649-004, Alberto Farias, attorney, Robert Gonzalez.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. This is Robert Gonzalez.
Good morning.
My client is present on Zoom, and we have just recently worked out a plea on this, and I would like resetting so that we can get the paperwork done and plea it out, Judge.
Oh, they told me.
Real good. Patricia, how much time? December 3rd?
It's fine.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
We're going to reset you to the 3rd of December.
Thank you, Your Honor. And,
Make sure, I'll expect you to have all your paperwork done by that date.
yes, Your Honor.
You and Mr. Farias are excused.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Mr. Gonzalez, can you please email me your client's email address?
I will, let's see, who is speaking at this time?
Patty, the coordinator, Patty Garcia.
I will, I'll do that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
651-285, State versus Richard Rivera, and that's Gail Calderola.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. Is your client here? Gail?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, I was on mute.
Is your client here?
I don't know. I sent him an email.
Okay, well, I'm gonna mark him absent for right now. He hasn't answered. Make
Okay,
sure
thank
you let us know.
Thank you, Judgment. May I be excused to go make an announcement, the 175th in County Court 8?
Yes, ma'am, of course you can.
Do you want me to come back or will you just let me know?
Yes, ma'am, please do. Gail? County
Yes.
Court 8, the judge is celebrating a birthday too, so.
Well, thank you for letting me know. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. I'll be back.
All right, 653-195, State versus Liliana Hernandez, attorney Brenda Levenstein.
Liliana Hernandez here, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Ms. Levenstein? No appearance at this time.
Judge, I
653.
got a message from her. She's gonna be late. She's at 3 other Zoom hearings.
Okay, Ms. Hernandez,
Yes, sir.
your attorney is in 3 other hearings, so she is aware that you're here.
Okay.
All right. She'll
Thank
be
you.
in.
Okay, thank you.
653-609, in jail, Randy Gordon, attorney James Mayra. James Mayra. One time on the time.
His client's in jail. I didn't order him. He may be a jail court judge.
Okay. 655-662, State versus Joseph Barbosa, attorney Arnulfo Ortiz.
Mr. Ortiz came by. He's in the 226. More than likely, that's where his client is too.
Okay, this guy's got some heavy duty stuff.
Mhm.
All right. 656-801, State versus Daniel Creedon, attorney Charles Sierra.
Here, Judge, my client's here. It's a plea. I believe all the paperwork's been signed and turned in.
We'll double check it because we've got a mess going right now. So come back in about an hour, Charles.
All right, will do, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. 656-813, State versus Ryan Della. He's already excused.
Mhm. That page is.
All right. Next page, page 6. 659-521, State versus Justin Chapman, attorney Matthew Finch. You got a bunch of felonies in this minute. Justin Chapman is marked absent. Matthew Finch, no appearance. 659-756, State versus Jeffrey Green, attorney Ronald Zimmerman.
Yes, Judge, I'm present, and I believe Mr. Green is present as well too, Judge.
And your wishes for this morning are?
A strong coffee, but after that.
I like it. Me too.
I would like to confer with my client. We have begun discussing a possible plea from the offer from the state, but there's some other parameters that we haven't quite finished out yet, Judge. So if I could have a little bit more time to confer with my client, maybe, well, I'm going on vacation for about a month, Judge. So if we could reset this case for the middle of December or possibly January.
Let's give you January.
Okay. All right.
The 12th.
We're going to give you 12th of January.
12th of January. Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Hey, enjoy your vacation. I know you earned it.
Well, that's a matter of opinion. So anyway.
I will share that opinion with you. 660.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. May Mr. Green be excused.
Of course.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
66083, State versus Brandon Diaz, attorney Abel Dominguez.
I am present on that.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
All right, let's be back around 10 o'clock. Maybe we'll be able to handle your plea, Abel.
Okay, Your Honor, we'll come back then. Thank you.
661620, State versus Nicholas Onaki. Attorney Daniel Garcia.
Your Honor, I'm present for Mr. Anaki. I'm present for Mr. Anaki. I don't know if Mr. Anaki is in the Zoom call. I didn't see his name. And I have another case, Your Honor.
Nicholas Onaki.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
All right. Your client is here, Mr. Garcia.
Your Honor, I'd like to confer on Mr. Anaki's case.
And it shall be.
And I have another case, Your Honor.
Tell me, case number.
It's case number 671, I'm sorry, page 8, 671-999, Mr. Gomez. And he is present, Your Honor.
Wilfred Gomez. There is no file on him right now. So we're gonna give you 60. We're gonna reset this for 60 days.
Okay.
We'll let you know the date since there's no file yet. So I'm not gonna waste your time bringing you back in 30 days just to tell you that it still ain't there.
Okay, is Mr. Gomez excused, Your Honor?
Mr. Gomez is excused. Thank him for being here.
Thank you.
Anything else, Daniel?
Just the conferring on Mr. Anaki's case, Your Honor.
I have marked it for such.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 664319, State versus Jose Rodolfo Ibarra. Attorney David Volk. Jose Ibarra. Absent. David Volk. No appearance at this time. 664557, State versus Irene Cortez. James Anders III is attorney.
Yes, Judge, I am here. I am in contact with Ms. Cortez, but she has not made it onto the Zoom yet. I will make every effort to get her to connect at a later time. She has pending felonies associated with this case, and I believe it'll be resolved inside of those pending felonies.
Pending indictment.
All right, 60-day reset.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Now,
yes,
I will mark her absent and a failure to appear unless you get her to report.
Yes, sir, I can do that.
Thank you. 665274, State versus Robert Check. Attorney Jeffrey Mulliner. Robert Check.
Judge Jeff Mulliner is at the 144th.
Okay, and it looks like Mr. Check has something there too.
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll just leave it open for right now. 666178, State versus Daniel Anguiano. Attorney Brian O'Donnell.
Judge,
Yes, sir.
Brian,
I have Mr. O'Donnell in the courtroom, Judge.
See what?
Brian O'Donnell is in County Court 12 for
Right.
an in-person hearing, and apparently Mr. Giano is in the courtroom.
All right. Stick around, Mr. Anguiano. 666910. State versus Loive Jimenez Castillo. Loive Jimenez Castillo, Attorney Thomas Limon.
I have Mr. Castillo in the courtroom, Judge, Spanish speaking only.
He's in the courtroom, Judge, Spanish speaker.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor. Thomas Limon here.
Good morning, Mr. Limon.
No file yet.
Good morning. If I could confer with both my client, my client first, if that's possible, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Limon, it'd be a waste of time right now because there is no file on Mr. Or is that
He was
gentleman?
asking to confer with his client.
Oh, you're going to confer with Jimenez Castillo?
Yes, sir, just to get some basic contact
No
information.
problem there. We'll have you. Are you here in the courthouse right now?
I am not, Your Honor. I'm on Zoom.
Okay. Can we put him on breakout since he's in the courtroom?
Judge.
Yes, you're almost finished calling the docket, Judge. Can I do it after?
Okay, we're going to finish the docket, then we'll try to put you in breakout with your client, Mr. Limon.
Nope, no problem, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, stick around a little while. Page 7, 667856. Fabian de la Garza, attorney, Jerry Kagan.
I'm here, Your Honor.
This is about to work right quick.
This is supposed to be a plea. Is everything set, Mr. Kagan? Jerry Kagan.
I don't believe he's here yet, Your Honor.
Ooh, okay.
Fabian answered, Judge.
Fabian, you answered. I thought it was Jerry. All right.
Yes.
Then I'll note that Mr. Kagan is not here yet. Thank you. Stick around.
Thank you.
668623. That is
Edgar.
in jail. Edgar Starr. We're not
Left.
all right. That's Greg Desmarais, attorney. We know Mr. Starr is available. Greg Desmarais, no appearance. 668925, State versus Matthew Thorne, and that's Jackson Lindsay as attorney.
I'm present, Judge. He's in custody. He has felonies pending.
I'm sorry, what's the last part?
He has felonies pending in the 226th.
Okay,
Pending indictment.
we're gonna give you 60 days because it's not even indicted.
Thank you, Judge.
60-day reset, we'll let you know the date.
Thank you.
You're excused, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for appearing. 669380, State versus Vanessa Reese, attorney.
Attorney,
Blackwelder Baggett.
Judge, Attorney Matt Maldonado here for Mr. Blackwelder Baggett. Vanessa Reese is present as well.
Very good. Your case, there is no file, so we'll have to reset that. How many?
90?
Okay,
We're gonna reset you 90 days because there's no file.
thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes or no? This Blackwelder Baggett, who is that?
The attorney.
He's the attorney of record, Judge. I'm coming on as co-counsel. We did file a notice.
Okay, so you've
Yes.
given us notice. That's good. That's fine. Thank you. Then you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
669583, State versus Rene Garcia, attorney.
Good morning,
Sean
Your Honor.
Serene.
He's present with counsel. My co-counsel, Mac Boz, is here as well. We need to confer with the state on some discovery issues. And given that the forecast would probably be a reset in light of that, we would like our client excused while we confer with the state.
That makes sense. Mr. Garcia, you're excused. Rene Garcia, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you.
671-604, State versus Georgiana Lopez Chavira, attorney. Brent Hardy. Georgina Lopez Chavira. Absent.
No, I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay. Brent Hardy, attorney.
I spoke with him last week and I had told him when I was actually able to speak with you to see if I can get another attorney for me, if possible.
Well, at this point, we have to hear from Mr. Hardy first.
Okay.
671856, State versus Ruth Liana, attorney. Sharon Thorne.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ms. Triana is in custody right now on 2 of her felonies. She has 3 or 4 felonies pending, and she's set for trial on December 6th on those felonies. If we could have this reset to then or later, I would appreciate it.
Okay, Patricia. We're gonna look real quick and see what day we're gonna give you.
December 13th.
The 13th of December.
Yes, sir. May I be excused?
I don't know. Of course you are, Ms. Thorne. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Judge. Bye.
You're welcome. 671969. Fugitive, Wayne Garrett, attorney, Suzanne Kramer. We're ready. No, we didn't check her off earlier.
She announced, Judge, she was number 1 to confer, but she had to go to County Court 9.
Right. But did she check off on Wayne Garrett? Wayne
Yes.
Garrett,
Judge, she told you he had an active warrant.
Right. Failure to appear. All right. 671-971, State versus Ivan Pinzon. Michael Young.
No, it's Brian
Morning, Your
O'Donnell.
Brian O'Donnell in court with my client. She's present.
Good morning, Brian.
Your Honor, at this time, I would ask if I could confer with the state.
Absolutely.
My office, Judge.
You are on the list to confer, Brian.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have another case. Daniel
All right.
Anguiano, case number 666178.
I think we had marked present.
Yeah, I told you he was in County Court 12.
666-1.
Judge.
Yes, sir. We marked you present, both of you.
Yes, Your Honor. My client has a felony pending. We're asking for a reset. Felony pending, Judge.
How far is that felony? It looks
It's
like
a
it's not even
pending-
indicted.
Yes, pending
It's
indictment.
brand new, Your Honor. We're working with the court-appointed attorney, Matthew Finch. They're exploring specialty courts at the felony level. So it may take
We're
some
going to
time.
reset to 60 days.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're
May-
welcome, Brian.
May Mr. Daniel Anguiano be excused?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
How about Ms. Pinzon? You're going to confer? You want her to stick around?
Yes, Judge, I'm going to go to my office and confer for Ms. Yvonne Pinzon.
All right. And finally on the docket, 663-411 and 669-489. State versus Jason Daniel Ornelas, attorney Valerie Hedlund.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Valerie.
We are set for a plea, and I don't believe that Jason has done the paperwork yet. I emailed Patty last night. Patty, if you could check your email and maybe send to that email that I sent last night, that would be helpful.
Yes, ma'am.
And then, Your Honor, could I be excused and come back? I have 2 other settings in district court.
I would encourage it since we got such computer trouble that I couldn't get your plea going right now, but get a gun to my head.
Okay, so can I tell my client to come back in maybe 45 minutes to an hour?
Yes, ma'am, that is correct. Right.
Thank you. Jason, come back at a little bit before 11, please. Thank
All
you.
right.
Morning.
Anybody need to speak to me right now?
Judge Tony,
Yes,
not
Judge.
you get a chance. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Tony
Tony
Hernandez?
Hernandez.
All right, Tony, you got Bryce Charles.
Yes, Your Honor, and that's a PTD application that we're submitting. Mr. Charles is having internet problems. He called in and he was on the call for a little while, then it kicked him off.
All right, I'll give him credit since you said the magic word, internet problems. I can't damn internet with my own computer, so. Okay, so what are you doing, Tony?
Judge, I think we'd have an answer in about 30, 45 days. So.
Gonna reset you for 45 days. And more or less.
January 11th.
January 11 of 22.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Patty.
You're welcome.
Attorneys, anybody else have to report? I'm gonna take a break.
Judge, yes. Frank McElroy, Jose Rodolfo Melchor Ibarra, 664-319. So I logged in a few minutes late.
664.
Page 6.
6.
He's here for David.
664-319. Jose Ibarra is not present.
Judge, he did call our office and we gave him the information. He is aware. I can follow up. I can follow up with him. What's that, Judge?
Make him report to us.
I sure will. And Judge, as soon as we do that, I was going to ask for a short reset. David's been first chair on this one. He gets back on Friday.
Okay, you want one week recall?
If we can.
Day after Thanksgiving?
Can we make it?
Yeah, lots of luck. I won't be here.
Would the 29th work, Judge? That's just shy of 2 weeks.
Yes.
Recall 29 November.
Thank you, Judge. And is my client excused for today?
Ibarra?
Yes.
He's the one that's having computer issues.
Yes,
Okay. Thank you so much, Judge. And maybe I'd be excused as well.
of course.
Thank you.
All right, attorneys, who
Yeah.
needs to report?
Ernest
Yes,
Acevedo,
Judge.
here, Judge.
Speak up.
Ernest Acevedo here, Judge. I've conferred on all 6 of my cases. I think we have resolutions on 3 of them and possible resolution on 1 more. I need to see if I can get 30 days for right now to see if we can complete the paperwork and do those things.
All right, let's go one at a time. Start off with the first numerically lowest number.
Brandon Ruiz, there's a pre-trial diversion offer that I need to get submitted, 618697.
Gotcha. Okay, and what, how much time you want on that?
I don't know how long it's taking to get those applications processed.
45, Judge.
Let's give you about 45 days. Reset
January 11th.
to January 11 of 22, Ernie.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Acevedo. Now, what's next? How about Garza, Oscar?
Yeah, Oscar Garza is my second case, Judge. They're going to consider offering him an obstruction. They wanted 30 days to review it.
State wants 30 days, okay?
December 14.
14 December.
That would be good. The next one is Fred Canales, 625022.
625022.
Yes, sir.
Fred Canales.
Yeah, they gave him an obstruction offer today. I need to discuss with him if I can get 30 days on that. And if we do a plea, I'll turn in the paperwork.
Reset 30 days for disposition.
December 14.
December 14. You got him?
Yes, sir. The next one, Judge, was Alexander DeBaron, 629831.
629831.
Can I put that on that same 30-day docket? We don't have an agreement on that one, but I'm gonna see if I can put some stuff together.
We'll put you for 14 December on him. All right.
Hunter Neely was given a new offer today that we're going to consider, 649200. If I can get the same 30-day setting, and if we accept it, we'll turn in the paperwork early.
649200. What day is it, Patty?
December 14.
14 December for Mr.
Neely.
Hunter Neely.
Right. And the last one, Judge, was Joshua Bazan, who had the felony pending out of these incidents. I just need to reset that one for a while because the felony doesn't have a setting right now.
Which one is it?
Joshua Bazan.
What's the case number?
Case number.
I lost that one.
The case number is 644993 and 994.
644.
Page
There it is.
3.
I had marked it for some reason. Felony pending 60 days.
Yeah, wait, that's correct, Judge. I announced that at the start. I just want to make sure he was excused, but yes, if we can get 60 days, that'd be great.
All right, you got it. 60-day reset on this one.
Okay, those are all my cases, Judge. Can all my clients be excused and me as well?
Absolutely. Thank you for being here on time. Appreciate it. Take
Thank you.
care. Stay safe.
Have a good day.
You too.
Judge, this is
Attorneys.
Ashley Morgan. I'm back from breakout room when you have a moment.
Absolutely. Let's see. Ms. Morgan, tell me a case number you want to talk about.
First one is 641413.
641413, page 3.
The state is re-requesting, I'm going to ask for 30 days on him. The state needs to get his TCIC and CIC. They have a bad report on him. And then I'm getting them a mitigation packet.
All right, how much time you need?
30 days, please.
Reset
December 14.
14 December.
And then Albert Ramos, I just learned he has a pending felony from the same date.
Okay, and what case number is that, Ms. Morgan?
651104 and 652728.
Hold on. What happened to Joshua Payne?
We set him for a motion to suppress.
Okay, that's, okay. I didn't mark that properly. Give me a second. All right, now, again, what's the case number we're talking about?
651104.
651104. There it is. Okay. What are you doing on that one?
He has a pending felony that it just got assigned to prosecutor. So I'm gonna reach out to the prosecutor and see if we can work them all out.
Is he indicted already?
He is not indicted. It's from the same date.
How much time?
Is that on Ramos?
Yes.
Can we do January, Judge?
We're gonna put him in January. Let's see.
That's good, Judge.
The 19th.
19th of January.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, Ms. Morgan. Take care. Is that it?
That's it. And Patty, do you want me to email you on those trial dates and motion to suppress?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, please.
I'll follow it.
Thank you for being here on time. We appreciate that. You're excused. You and your clients.
Thank you.
All right, attorneys, who else has to report?
Judge, Ivan Barrera here.
Ivan Barrera, talk to me.
Yes, Judge, I have an announcement. It's on page 5, 657529.
657529. That's Urrutia. Talk to me.
Yes, Judge. I conferred with the state. They need some more time to contact the complaining witness. So I normally ask for a week reset, but obviously that lands on the Thanksgiving week. So does November 29th work?
Fine, Judge.
29 November it is.
Thank you, Judge. And that's it for me.
All right.
Your Honor, I'd like to report.
And who's speaking?
Daniel Garcia.
Mr. Garcia, talk to me.
The case is on page 6, Mr. Onaki, 661-620.
661.
620.
I don't see it.
Page 6.
Page 6.
661-620.
It's 661-620. Nicholas Onaki.
Yes.
Daniel Garcia is the attorney, Judge. Are you on page 6?
I lost you somewhere. Page 6.
Onaki.
There it is. Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
All right, what you got, Mr. Garcia?
Your Honor, the prosecutor needs an additional time to contact the complaining witness. We're asking both for 30-day reset.
December 14.
14 December.
Very good. Are we excused, Your Honor?
Well, let me think about that. Of course you are.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Take care.
Have a good
Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Judge Randall Griner to report.
Mr. Griner, give me a case number we're going to talk about.
It's the 4th page, 3rd from the top. Santiago Benavides.
Santiago Benavides.
We've received an offer from the state. We're asking for a 30-day to consider our options.
Consider offer. 30 days, Patty?
Yes, sir. December
14th.
14 December.
Thank you. May we be excused?
You are excused, Mr. Griner. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Attorney, report.
Yes, Judge.
Morning in progress.
I am back. Good morning.
Good
Melanie
morning.
Lira here on Franklin Minop. He's the #1 on the first page. And I have no contact information for him. So unless he showed up in the courtroom or on Zoom, it would be a miracle.
There's no no-show.
He's a no-show. Failure to appear.
Yes, this case is also over 4 years, about 4 years old, if not more. So I don't see me finding him anytime soon. He's on an out of county bond. And I have not been able to get in touch with anyone from bonds in order to get a good contact number.
Okay, well, we'll just let it ride as a failure to appear and issue a warrant.
All right, great. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
You are excused, ma'am. All right.
Have a good day.
Attorney reporting. Nobody else. All right.
Judge, may I approach?
Who is it?
It's Jay Norton.
Hey, Jay, the bearded one.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Which one?
Yes, sir, Mr. Norton. How are you?
Roberto Becerra, cause 620483.
I got you. It actually shows Nicholas.
And we have the same situation.
All right, Mr. Becerra has not responded, as you know.
Yes, and we have tried for several months to get him. We have not been able to.
Well, he'll have to sit in jail and then he'll remember that he has attorneys.
Well, we actually filed a motion to withdraw since
Okay.
the contact also means no payment.
Okay, so you're excused, Mr. Norton.
Well, I have two other matters I'd like to address with the court.
Well, let's get with it.
The next case number is Marianne Lura, Leura, cause number 647-768.
That's the one John Rittmeyer answered for.
647. Rittmeyer.
Yes, he's on, I believe, 2 cases and we're on 1 case.
Okay, so which one are you on?
I'm on the DWI, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
She answered, and I think she may have left when Reitmeyer got this thing rescheduled.
Reset 60 days for felony pending indictment.
There's a felony pending on her case.
Yes, sir.
And it's set for 60 days. Patty, what day were given? 647-768.
We'll do January 19th.
It's the 19th of January, Jay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Do you have anything else?
One last thing. It's really off docket. It's a trial setting for Thursday. Gary Hillier filed a motion for continuance. He has a vacation letter that's been on file, and the vacation starts the day after jury selection. He's going to be out of state.
Give me the case number.
It's 614-184, State of Texas versus David Gonzalez.
Is that in with a S or Z?
Yes.
With
a what?
With an S.
Okay. All right, I will see to it that gets removed from the jury docket. We'll reschedule it for the next jury docket.
Thank you, sir. And with that, I think that concludes my business with you.
Thank you, Jay. Take care. Be safe.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All
Bye,
right,
Patty.
attorneys, who else has to report?
Jeff Mulliner.
Jeff Mulliner.
Yes, Your Honor.
Jeff Mulliner. Case number.
Judge, I have Robert Check on your docket, page 665-274. I apologize. I was in the Honorable Judge Mary's court this morning. I had called and spoken to Patty and told her that I would join you when I was released there. And
yeah, I've got you marked present.
Mr. Check is present in your waiting room. We have a felony pending without a present setting date. I was hoping that you could do an appropriate reset while we wait to see what happens on the felony.
All right, we'll give you what?
January 19th.
January 19th.
Thank you, Your Honor. And then at the appropriate time, I have an off-docket matter that I don't presume I can just take it up with you today, but I was hoping to get a setting or kind of an appointment with you and the state to take it up. It's a motion to modify bond and remove GPS.
Well, talk with the state and primarily with Patty to get some kind of a setting, and we'll be happy to handle it with you.
Thank you, Judge. Patty, I'll just stay backwards until you're able to talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you both. Bye.
Any other reports you have to deal with Ms. Garcia for a while? I'm gonna go see about this damn computer.
Jerry Kagan on behalf of Mr.